everyone, and welcome to the video today. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video I just wanted to share with you three of the main tools that I use pretty much every day whenever I am creating content for my blog or for my affiliate marketing business. And so I just wanted to bring those to you today. It's just three that I find useful. It helps me to crank out content on a regular basis and also to help me promote it as well. So first thing I'm going to tell you about is here I am on my website. This is, for those of you who don't know, this is on my website. This is one of my articles that I've written a while back. But so I have a blogging website which is associated with my affiliate marketing business. And so in order to create some of these articles, this is what I do. I use a thing called Site Content, which is how I write the articles and publish them. So I'm going to show you that first. This is the first tool that I love to use. Okay, so it's over here. This is Site Content. This is within the Wealthy Affiliate platform. You've heard me talk about that, I'm sure, if you're a regular viewer of this channel. And this is where it's found. It's here under Websites and Site Content. Okay, so this is how I write my articles every day. I come here to Site Content, and up here I have some templates that just kind of help me get started. They're basically outlines to break down paragraphs and points that I want to make, and depending on what my article is focused on, then I just write based on that. So it's a great organizational tool for me. It's one of the things that has really helped me be more efficient and to, well, like I said, pump out content on a regular basis. So I come here, and what I love about Site Content is it shows you several different things. For instance, this is the blog post that I was just on at the beginning of this video that I wrote about a year ago. And as you can see, it says right here how many words that I ended up using. This is important for me to know. I want to make sure, for the most part, that I go over 1,000 words. That's what I aim at, depending on what kind of article it is, of course. Sometimes it'll be longer, sometimes it'll be a little bit shorter, but this is my average for a regular blog post. And so it'll give you stats like that. It'll tell me if it's been indexed in Google right here, and it has. So let me just click on it. I'm going to show you a little bit more about Site Content. I won't go into huge detail, but just kind of want to show you, this is my writing goal, so you can set your own goals. And up here we've got all the tools in order to write the content, your headings, bold and italics, add it if you want to add hyperlinks, and then here's where you can add images, and there's a spell check as well. It's a spell and grammar check. I love that. Anyway, so you can add images within here. You can write. So here's my, here's one of my headings. And I can add links. Just basically structure my entire blog post here. Like I said, down here, if you look, it says how many words. And the 100% is whether or not it hit my writing goal. Like I said, you can change your writing goal to be whatever you want. If you want to do only 500 words, you can do that. And then the paragraphs, so I hit the goal for that, and it tells you how many headings as well. This is information that, mostly I look at the words, how many words I've written. But, this is stuff that I don't get if I just start writing within WordPress. That's why I like Site Content. It's somewhere where I can come and tweak my articles, and then go ahead and hit publish after I've done my grammar check. Super simple. It goes directly to my website, and it is there and live already. Okay, so that's the first thing, Site Content within the Wealthy Affiliate platform. Okay, secondly is what you're seeing me do right now, which is record a screen capture. And I'm going to show you what I use for that. It's called Screencast-O-Matic. It's actually free, and this is when I started recording videos. I started using this, and I started with free, but you can upgrade. I believe it's like $15 for the entire year. It's perfect. And if you do the free version, the only thing that is going to be, they're going to put a watermark, right? It's going to say Screencast-O-Matic. It's usually down here in the right corner of all your videos. It's not that intrusive, so if you need to stay free, you can. But if you can invest in your own business, then it's really a cheap option in order to get a couple more features, a little bit of editing features, as well as to remove that watermark. So this is what I use, Screencast-O-Matic. It's real simple. It just creates a barrier, or a border, I guess, of what you want to be filming, and it's so simple to use. I might do a tutorial on it. It's a little difficult because I'm recording on it right now, so I can't really, it's kind of hard to show you how I'm recording as I'm recording. Anyway, but I'm going to figure out how to do that in one of my future videos, so stay tuned for that. But this is how I record all of my content, like I said, like you're seeing right now, for YouTube, as well as sometimes I'll put these videos within my blog posts. And so this is a great tool to use. I use it every day. I try to create videos regularly. I'm aiming at doing daily videos, or at least, Monday through Fridays. And this has just been a lifesaver. The other thing it can do is not only just screen capture, but it can also do webcam. It can put your picture, here in the corner, or you can move it wherever you want, or it can just be a big picture of you if you want to face-to-face with some people. For the purposes of this video, I don't have that up. You don't need to see my face right now. So I really love this. There's a bunch of different video screen capture and recording software out there, and depending on what kind of computer you're using, you might have one that's a little better fitted for you. But this is the one I like to use. I'll leave a link. I'll leave a link to all these tools in the description if you want to check any of them out for yourself. Okay, so there I have it. I've created blog posts with site content. I've created my YouTube videos, or my recordings, with a Screencast-O-Matic. And so the third tool that I use after I've created my content is I want to get that out to people. And I have an email list. And so I use what's called GetResponse. There are a lot of different email autoresponders out there. This is just the one I chose. I like it. It's pretty easy to use. You can create forms, newsletters that you can send out to your lists. You can create landing pages. This is how you're going to capture some of the emails. And also you can create your autoresponders here, and create campaigns and all kinds of stuff. So this isn't really going to be a video about how to do all that. I'll make a video about that in the future. But this is another tool that I use. And so as soon as I create my blog post, I'll shoot an email out to my list saying, hey, you want to check out this new, blog post I wrote? This is a little bit about what it's about. Here's a link to go check it out. And same with my YouTube videos, okay? I will record them here at Screencast-O-Matic, do a little editing. I also have some editing software that I use in order to edit it all up. But you can edit within Screencast-O-Matic. There's a small editing feature within here if you want to just use that. Anyway, after I've recorded that and put it up on YouTube, then I'll come right back here to my email list, and I'll shoot them all a message and say, hey, this is a new video I just created. You want to go check it out? Here's a link to it. So this immediately gets eyes on your content, okay? You don't have to wait for people to find you. These are people in your list, in your email list, that have opted in, and they want to know about your content already. So might as well send them a little email message, and say, hey, go check it out. Okay, so that's basically it in a nutshell. Those are the three main tools that I use on a regular basis in order to pump out content for my affiliate marketing business and for my blog websites. Alright, so like I said, I will leave a link to those three in the description if you want to check them out, and if you're interested in them. And if you liked this video, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button, and feel free to subscribe as well. And that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.